Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure that you subscribe, make sure you like, and also make sure that you leave me a comment, let me know that you're new here. Yeah. So yeah, I washed my hair yesterday, shampoo, whatever you want to call it, whatever. If you want to go by the rule, yesterday was my wash day. And I washed my hair because my hair was like all over the place. I went to grab the products that I used yesterday on my hair, and I used the Mielle's Kalahari, Melon, and aloe vera deep hydration, and this is the 2-minute deep conditioner. Kalahari is like it's a watermelon. It looks like it's a watermelon. It's the yellow one. However, it really was amazing. I left it on longer than 2 minutes because it felt good. I mean, it was so easy to like detangle my hair. I was just like, y'all seen me do it on my live, but when it come up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tag Kalahari, Mielle. I'm going to tag them. I'm going to put this product in there for y'all to buy it if you want to, because it's a really nice brand. That's all I use is really Mielle's deep conditioners, and I also use another brand, that I tell y'all later. But y'all know everything that I use, I buy it, and I buy more, because I don't like to run out of things that I like, Now this one here this is one that I will buy again because I like the feeling. She got another one that I like called Bibos deep treatment. It's really nice too. I love it. Also, this here is what I use to co-wash my hair, the bamboo milk. I've been using this for years, and Dark and Lovely really makes great deep treatments, deep conditioners. Dark and Lovely is a great brand that you can use on your hair if you have like a sensitive scalp or anything like that. Dark and Lovely, they had hair color, but I don't color my hair much anymore. I don't think they make hair color in Georgia. Well, I believe you can pick up Dark and Lovely in a beauty supply store, so on and so on. But I got mine here from Amazon, and when I get low, which it takes me time to use it because I don't co-wash my hair every day, and I just like the fact that it makes my hair feels nice and like clean, but not making it feel dry. And it smells good. It has the mango oil in there, and I love mango. I like the smell of mango. I like mango butter. I love mango. Mango smells real nice. So yeah, go check it out if you're interested. I just wanted to bring it to you and let you guys see or whatever. But this is my hair. I really ain't did nothing else. I just put a little bit of the Blue Magic in it, and that was it. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Be sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't be no stranger. Catch me on live, okay? Because I'm tired of y'all asking where I be.